Alright, it's Thursday, it's about 2 o'clock, and I'm in San Francisco right now, as you can see. If you don't know where that is, then... Alright. Okie dokie. So, I hate cutting and editing. I want to shoot this in one take. I'm gonna shoot this in one take. Gosh, so what was I gonna say? Okay, George Blog. Today, I'm not going to Arkansas this weekend, but instead, I'm gonna make the best of this weekend and still get out there to film something. Going to SoCal to film Play Hard, Play Smart. They have Dakari Allen, De'Arrow Williams. That's a large truck, and yeah, who know? I don't know Play Hard, Play Smart that well, but I heard they're really good, and I'm going to SoCal to see them. Going to Santa Ana to see some of my family too, and I might see an old friend of mine's. So, let's get it, let's go. We out here, son! Son! What are your guys' thoughts on that Volkswagen Beetle? Like, does it look better? Would more men buy it? I don't know. Random question. This traffic kind of sucks. Back to the dashboard view. I wonder what that lifestyle is like.
out here to Roscoe's. It's finna go down.
Alright, yo, what's good? We out here in Long Beach at Roscoe's.
Start over. Gotta speak up. Gotta speak up.
Yo, what's good? We out here in Long Beach at Roscoe's Chicken and Waffles. Getting it in, getting these W's. And then, you know, 920 finna get this other W, you know what I'm saying? Show 'em the mix. Show 'em.
Yo, it is Sunday, April 29th, I think. Haven't shaved for a while. Oh, forgot to turn my eco on. See it? No, you can't really see it. Yeah, this is blog something something something, and stuck in traffic for a while. Moving at an average speed of, like, I don't know what the average speed is, but it's like 5 kilometers per hour. Oh yeah, and I drive using kilometers. I don't use MPH. I use kilometers. Okay, it's been 5 minutes since I last talked to it. I just wanted to turn it back on and show you guys this. This is how bad the traffic is. Like, look at that. It goes back really far. And then look, I'm about to do this for you guys. I'm about to drive off the road. And then it goes on for a while. And then I'm about to go back onto the road. Yeah, it's bad. It's really tough. I don't like it. But I don't think anyone else here likes it. It'd be really weird if someone... I don't know anybody who likes traffic. Do you know someone who likes traffic? Okay, I took a bunch of random turns, and now I went through like a crazy scenic route, whatever, and now I don't even know where the hell I am. I killed a bunch of bugs, by the way, but I don't even know where the hell I am. Like, oh my gosh, where am I going? Oh man. Where am I going? Does anybody know where this is? Because I don't even know where I am. I just wanted to test out some exits, and this is where I got to. Oh my goodness! Where am I? Where am I? I hope I get home. I only have about 100 miles left on this tank of gas. Woo! This is 2 out here. 2 out here. But it's really beautiful though, not gonna lie. See if I get home. Oh my god. I was on this road for the longest time, and now I see a sign that says San Jose, San Francisco, North 101! Oh! We out here! We out here! Oh my god, I'm so happy. I felt like, man, I had the scariest feeling in my gut. I thought I didn't know what the hell. I don't know where I was, man. Like, look at this. It's really beautiful and all, but I had no idea where I was. But now, I'm on the way home, and San Francisco is it's 88 miles. Woo! Man, it's beautiful, but wow. We out here.